Hello dear children, welcome back to the class. And today's topic is revision part 6. In the previous class, we have finished part 5. So here we have revision part 6. So again I have the questions here and I have given the 4 options. So what you have to do, children? You have to select the correct answer and tick mark it and write in the blanks. So, okay, the first one is 0 is before dash. 0 is before dash. Options are 4, 0, 1, 2. So, if you want, you can make a rough work here. Otherwise, you can go through the direct answer. So, 0 is before dash. So, you can write here 0, 1, 2, 3. So, 0 is before which number 0 comes, children? Yes, before 1, 0 comes. So, the answer is 1. The option third is the answer. Tick mark it and write in the blank. The next one, 1 is between dash and dash. 1 is between dash and dash. Options are 0 and 1, 1 and 0, 1 and 2, 0 and 2. So, write here 1, 2, 3, 4. So, you can find out the answer here easily. So, 1 is between dash and dash. So, where is the 1 here? Here is the 1. So, you can write here 0 also. So, 1 is between 2 and 0. Yes. So, the answer is 0 and 2. Option 4 is the right answer. That is 0 and 2. So, you can write here down, that is 0 and 2. You can write here 0 and 2. The correct answer is 0 and 2. Okay. The next one is 4, 6 and 5 are after dash. 4, 6 and 5 are after dash. Options are 4, 3, 7, 6. 4, 3, 7, 6. So you can do a rough work, that is you can write a number 1 to 6 and you can find out the answer here. That is 4, 6, 5 is after which number? They have asked here after which number 4, 6 and 5 comes. So is it comes? So 4, 6 and 5 number comes after 3 only. Yes or no? So here is the 3 option is there. That is second option 3. So tick mark it and write in the blanks. The next is number 4. 19 comes after dash. 19 comes after dash. Options are 16, 14, 15, 18. So the rough work is 17, 18, 19. You can write the numbers and you can see the 19 is here, and after which number 19 has come? After 18, right? So that means the option fourth one is the correct answer. So let's write the answer here, that is 18. The next one, 11 comes before dash. 11 comes before dash. Options are 12, 10, 14, 13. 12, 10, 14, 13. So you can write the rough work here. That is you can write the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14. So here they asked 11 comes before dash. So before which number 11 comes? Before 12, right? Before 12, 11 comes. That means the answer is 12. Option first one is the right answer, that is 12. Tick mark it and write in the blank. And the next is 14 comes between dash and dash. 14 comes between dash and dash. Options are 13 and 12, 13 and 15, 13 and 16, 13 and 14. So 14 comes between dash and dash. So let's write the numbers here as a rough work. 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So here you have to find out till 15 we'll write, and we have to find out 14 number comes between which number, which are the two number. So 14 is a between number here, right? And which are the numbers are there between here? 13 and 15 between 14 is there. So which is the right answer? That means 13 and is the 15 is the right answer. That is second option, 13 and 15. So tick mark it and write in the space. 13 and 15. 14 comes between 13 and 15. The next one is 56 come before dash. Options are 55, 54, 57, 58. So let's write here 55, 56, 57, 58. So here we have to find out 56 comes before which number? Before 57. Yes or no? So before 57, 56 comes. So the answer is 57. So tick mark the third answer and write in the option 57. So 56 comes before 57. The next one, 6 and 7 are between dash and dash. 6 and 7 are between dash and dash. 4 and 5, 5 and 8, 4 and 6, 5 and 6. So let's write here side as a rough work. So you will be knowing perfectly. 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's write the 5 also. So let's find out the answer now. 6 and 7. So these two numbers are there between which two numbers? They asked between which two numbers 6 and 7 is there. So between 5 and 8, 6 and 7 is there, right? So 5 and 8 is the right answer. That means second option is the right one. Tick mark and write here 5 and 8. The next one, number 9, 54 come after dash. 54 come after dash. Options are 52, 56, 55, 53. Let's write the number here. 52, 53, 54, 55. So 54 come after dash. So 54 comes after which number, children? After 53, 54 comes. That means the correct answer is 53. So here the option is number 4, that is 53. Tick mark the correct answer and write in the blank. So here in this revision, I have completed 1 to 9 sums as a revision part 6. So don't get confusion. Do a rough work side and find out the answer properly and practice more and more time. Thank you.